आज PWDची हांगासर लायन पायपलायन न्यू घालता। ही जी पायपलायन आमकां खूब गरज आशिल्ली खऱ्या अर्थान, कारण आमची जी पायपलायन जी आहा ती गटाराच्या भितरल्यान आहा आनी लास्ट टायमूय एक इश्यू जाल्लो की गटाराच्या भितर आसले कारणान खंय लिकेज आहा जाल्यार ती कळना। लिकेज आहा ते जेन्ना उदक पायपा भितर उदक ना तेन्ना ते गटाराचें उदक ते पायपा भितर गेल्ले आनी ते उदक सगळे लोकांनी हांगा पिल्ले, कारण ते गटाराच्या भितर लायन आसलेली। आनी मॅडमीन तेन्ना आमकां त्या टायमार आनी PWD हांकांय लायन फोन करून तेन्ना आमकां ते प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व केल्लो। पायपलायन जी आहा ती तेंच्यांनी फुटलेली आहा, तेंच्यांनी सोदून घेवन, पण त्याचो तो सोल्युशन ना। पण आतां आमकां मॅडमीन कायमचो सोल्युशन काडला। जी गटाराची लायनीन जी पायपलायन आहा ती काडून आमकां वयर शिफ्टिंग करता आनी तेज्या लागून मॅडमीचे बी देव बरी करूं म्हणटा, PWDचे बी थँक्यू आभार मागता।
Madam, you have inaugurated one work under PWD. Can you give the details of it?
Yes, we are very happy that we have inaugurated this water work, laying of 100 mm dia water pipeline from MDR near Mahadev Towers House to Hanuman Temple in Zwarinagar. And this is water. And water is an essential need. Nobody can survive with water, and the people of this area were asking for this pipeline, and I'm very happy that today we have started the work. And our engineers, Naresh Paingankar, assistant engineer, and Mohan Naik, technical assistant, PWD, will be supervising this work, and I request them to ensure quality work, and the work should be completed in a time-bound manner. Now, the total cost of this work is 11 lakhs. We will also be doing another work, starting another work today, that is improvement of water supply at Zorit in Zwarinagar and the surrounding areas of the village panchayat of Sankwal. Now, the cost of this second work is 26 lakhs, okay, and the contractor is Nurul Construction. Of course, our engineers, our assistant engineer and our technical engineer, both will be supervising this work as well. And again, my request is that the works be completed in a time-bound manner. Now, there are many works that are on the verge of starting but have not started because of the pandemic. And especially there were so many other road works which have not started due to pandemic. In fact, in one case, our contractor himself got infected, and his whole family is down, and therefore the work cannot start. So some works which were supposed to start now and be completed will be started after the monsoon. But we are definitely following all the works, and we ensure to the people of Kortaling constituency that the works will be done as soon as the monsoon season ends.
Thank you.